Broadcasting, I mean, I fell out very badly with the BBC. The mainstream, the deadwood press, the dying press. I mean, I didn't expect any better from them, frankly, because that's what they are, and that's why they're dying to a certain extent. Not because they oppose Scottish independence, but because they're nihilistic about just about everything in life. But I was so taken aback and disappointed by the BBC. The greatest broadcasting reputation in the world, and traduced that reputation, because at the end of the day they could have covered impartially and fairly any constitutional situation in the whole planet, and the one thing they couldn't cover, they couldn't get themselves out of the fact they were the British Broadcasting Corporation, was a referendum in Scotland. And what a sacrifice to make, what a mess of pottage that they've sacrificed. I mean, we're now in a situation where the majority of people in Scotland don't trust the BBC. It's their national broadcaster. It's a remarkable situation. They've traduced the most important broadcasting reputation in the world because they couldn't look at Scotland and be fair and square. Now, the reason it was a surprise to me, the reason it was a mistake, in every other election I've ever taken part in, my only complaint with broadcasters was not being on enough. It's the traditional complaint. But I never doubted their impartiality. In the referendum, it was different, and it was a shame.